Welcome to our master bathroom. It's a mess in here. And I have been holding off now for about 4 years to clean, basically do a deep cleaning of this bathroom. Let me specify. What do I mean by that? Well, you may wonder. Yes, I have cleaned my bathroom over the past 4 years many times. But under here, like this, and in these drawers, it's stuff that I brought to this house from our first apartment, okay? So we're gonna get rid of a bunch of stuff, and then we're going to clean this place to perfection. First things first. There we go. Get a trash bag. I'm doing great already. All right, hair up, which is so weird because I just got my hair cut, so I feel like I don't really have a ponytail. My hair is still very long, I know, but it just feels so short because I chopped off 4 inches. All right, let's get to it. These are probably the only things I'm going to keep, but I guess I don't need all of them. These are my pregnancy tests from this pregnancy. So yeah, but anything else in here, it's gotta go. Man, I took a lot of pregnancy tests this time. Clearly, I wanted to be sure. That I thought I was gonna wear on my wedding day because for some reason, I thought that I needed more hair. Here's another one. Didn't need it. This is a little Christmas mask that my mom made me. I'm gonna save this. Memories! Cleaned all of that out. Cleaned all my drawers out. Now we gotta do a quick clean of the vanity countertop. I got these at Target the other day when I went to go and get Kennedy's apple juice. So these are Christmas scents. So this is Snowdrop, and this one is Iowa Pine. I was gonna use the snow, but Carl said that he wants the bathroom to smell like a Christmas tree. So we're going with Iowa Pine. Okay, for the shower, I think I'm going to switch to my snowy scent. I'm going to turn this on. And then, I'm going to be honest, I have not washed my shower. It's probably been 4 months. I know, it's gross. I know, it's filthy. But we're going to clean it. I'm tired these days, y'all know. This has been all over my For You page, so I finally got one. And I'm going to be honest and tell you guys if it's really worth all the hype. So let's get into it. I'm going to go in with my snowy spray. My snowy scented spray. I'm going to start on these things. Let's give this a try. Oh, wow. Okay, it's actually working so well that I'm going to give you guys a close-up. It's going to be embarrassing for me to show you guys just how dirty my tub is, but it's the only way for me to show you guys how well this thing works. So yeah, we're never going to talk about this again either, so. Okay, this is the dirt on the bottom of my tub. You can kind of see where I've already scrubbed, but I'm going to have Carl come be the cameraman and show y'all. All right, here is the before. This is the after. It got all of the dirt right up. My mom's gonna want one of these. And honestly, she's gonna be proud of me for having one of these. That was from TikTok. I've just been seeing it everywhere and I had to try it for you guys to see if it was really worth the hype. So I will link the brush right here in the TikTok shop. And so that is the bathroom now. The mats, like the little rugs, we threw in the washer machine just to, you know, freshen them up a bit. All right, and now to go and play with Kennedy. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.